Ouch, ouch, ouch. Whoa. Well, the looks of it, I'm late. I know. Sorry about that. But anyway, I'm around. I'm back. I'm here again. So, guys, I'm sorry. Today, I came in late, and I think, oh my God, look at Emmanuel. Emmanuel is already around. Guy, you caught me. Okay. Okay. Yeah, true. I was late today. I'm sorry about that. I had a lot of things to do today, and my errands were quite a lot. Anyway, another day, another dollar. So guess what? It's gonna be a crazy day. Let's go grab that bag. Let's go grab that cash. Crazy. Hi guys, how are you? Good evening. Hope you all doing good. And I'm seeing Samuel. Hi Samuel, how are you? Thanks for joining. Rahul, hey, you come this time? Yeah, this is my time, bro. I'm supposed to come exactly at 5 p.m., but I came in a little bit late, 9 minutes past. So that's not my time. I'm only coming at exactly 5. So Emmanuel, let's book. Of course. Let's go cook some candles. Let's go cook some game. Anyway, guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing good. How was your day? How is the weekend? Okay, let me set this up. Anyway, in the burnt oil, that's the OTC, as usual. So, let me try to make it 30 seconds. Then I get something like 85. Not bad. Okay. First take my up. Come on. Hope it's not late. We're in the burnt oil OTC, and right now I've just gone into the 30 seconds time frame. So if I take my trade in the 30 seconds, we just have to wait for it to expire, and then our profits are banged in. If this comes out well, that will be a 159 USD, which is not bad. We have started with only 500 USD. Let's see how it goes. Oh, nice. That's nice. Anyway, let's continue going with this. I'm seeing a lot of people coming in. Okay, let me see. Whoa. Deposit $100 in my pocket option account. I'll appreciate Daniel. Nap. Where are you from? I'm from Houston. Hi Daniel, I'm from Nigeria. I've noticed that there is 2 minutes difference on my time zone. What should I do? Look for a better time zone. I don't know. You try using a VPN. 2 minutes is really a lot, because you're the first person I'm seeing with a big time difference. Most of the people here are having seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds. Though I did my own research and I got to see that there's 30, 20 seconds. Hey Danny, how are you? Hey brother, how are you? You aren't replying on Telegram. I'm gonna reply you. Don't worry, Emmanuel. I'm gonna reply you. It's just that I've been having a really rough day, and it's been long for me. What time frame are you working? I am in the 30 seconds. I'm in 30 seconds time frame. And our first trade wasn't bad. It was a good trade. So let's look for another trade and see. So let's hold on. Okay, that's a good signal. That's a good signal up there. Let's first confirm it. Okay, that's a nice confirmation there. Let me take my shot right there. If you look at this was a very good signal here. This was a very good signal, and the third candle came inside the bands, which was a very good option for a very good put option. So I just had to short it there. So that's a very nice entry. Let's see where it goes, because we're in the 30 seconds time frame. Nice 65. Okay, let's look for another entry. Okay, that shows there's a big turn coming up there. If you look at the candles very well, the buyers are trying to come in really strong. So let's wait for a very good signal up there. This might be the one. Let's make a call right there. Even though we're in 30 seconds, we just have to go for it. Though the 15 seconds are better. So we're trying out different time frames. See which is the best time frame so far. We have been doing the 15 seconds, which has been giving us very good response. So we're trying out the 30 seconds to see how good is the 30 seconds time frame in a 5 seconds candle chart. Come on, 2 more seconds. Oh shit, this was only 2 more seconds left, and we were gonna hit that, but it was sniped out. Okay, let's look for another entry. That's a very good reversal there. Make a very good call there. Try to make another one. I made that double calls. Let's see. Hi guys, for those who are joining in, how are you? How was your day? Hope you're having very good evenings. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Those who are just joining in, who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Daniel Trading. And I'm here to show you how to read the market like a pro. So we read the market like a pro. I'm listening to quite some nice jazz. It's I love some house jazz. Some good jazz. It's like a casino jazz. It's nice. It's beautiful. And it's calm. Okay, that's a very good option there. Look at short. If you look at this, the sellers are coming in straight away. So we had a very good signal inside the bands. I just have to make my short from right there. So let's see where it goes. Come on, because we're in a 30 seconds time frame, and the 30 seconds time frame is quite long. For the 30 seconds time frame, the moment you take a trade, you have to be very careful. The moment you take an entry, you have to look at it and analyze it very well before you take your entry, because it's a long process by 30 seconds time frame. And that's nice. That was nice. Okay, still a downtrend. Oh my god, it's coming back upwards. Okay, let me try to make a call right there. Made a call. There was a nice. Oh my god, the price is being reversed. Price was coming back upwards, but again, if you look at this carefully, sellers had to reverse that shit, and then it's coming back downward. So I think my trade is gonna be cancelled out because it's a long time frame. But anyway, let's wait and see how it goes. Come on, make a turn right there. Come on. Ouch. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's look for another position. Double call right there. Why don't you come on Telegram live, on Telegram or Discord live? It's because most of my people are found on YouTube, and most of my streamers, my viewers are on YouTube. You know, that's why I love YouTube. But I'll think about making a Discord account. I'll try making a Discord account, and so that I can be live on Discord. I'll think about that. Okay. Which broker are you using? I'm using a Pocket Option. That was nice. I'm using Pocket Option. Okay, make a double call from there. We're in 30 seconds time frame, and our candle structures are 5 seconds. So we have to wait for that to execute well and give us good results. We have to wait for it. Come on, sellers are coming in. Fuck. And that was a double entry, mind you. So if I lose this, I'm just spoiling my profit. 0. So far we're having profits of 184. We began with 500, which is not bad. So let's try to look for another entry and make that back. Look at this carefully. Nope, that's not confirmed. That's not the confirmation. We need a very good confirmation here. We need a very good confirmation for us to take our entry there. So let's wait for it and see. Gino is saying, let's go back to 15 seconds. Yeah, true. I should go back to 15 seconds. 30 seconds is quite long. That's what I told you. In binary options, we normally use seconds, mainly 15 seconds, because 30 seconds can be long and it's not that predictable. Though, if you try to do 30 seconds, you need to take an entry that is very, very precise rather than the 15 seconds. The 15 seconds entry point is very good at a time, because even when your entry is not confirmed that well, hey, you might have a good chance percentage. You have a very big percentage of winning it out. Let's say probabilities are half. In 15 seconds, your probability is quite big than the 30 seconds. So I think you know the difference between the 30 seconds and the 15 seconds. And now you're seeing what I'm going through right now. My trades are coming out so harsh and so long. So let's go back to the 15 seconds time frame, and because that's our usual game. Yes, 30 seconds is too long for Melvin. Okay, thank you. Let's go back to the usual 15 seconds, 30 seconds gamble. True, 30 seconds really needs a lot of work. Trades get sniped around the 20 seconds mark. I know. By the time you reach at 20 seconds, your trades are sniped out. Actually, look at this. Each candle has 5 seconds. Okay, so if those are 30 seconds, you're having almost 6 candles to make sure that they come out right. So in a 30 seconds out time frame, that's really long, you know. But in a 15 seconds time frame, each candle is 5 seconds, and you're having only 3 candles, you know, and then it's out. That's why 15 is better. Players, which country are you from? I'm from USA. I realized yesterday in demo it's difficult to trade the same as you. I'm better off just perfecting my own strategy. Yeah, that's nice. Now let's continue with this. That's a strong buy, so I'll take my double call right there. That's a strong buy. For those who are just joining in, hello, how are you? Thanks for joining the stream. My name is Daniel, trading with Daniel, and our theme is reading the market like a pro. So let's read the market like a pro. Don't just trade, don't just gamble. You have to read the market carefully, and everything will be good for you. And what do you know? You might wake up next morning and you're a millionaire. That's the good thing everyone wants, you know. But all you have to know is that trading is not all about making profits, as they say. Because if you think only about making profits, then that's the biggest trap you will ever make. So in trading, you have to think more about protecting your capital, protecting yourself, and protecting your goals. Guess what? You do all that, I bet everything will come out nice for you. Hey Regan, how are you? Hi, thanks for joining. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Love you, brother Daniel, bro. Okay, love you too. Thank you. The candle, Emmanuel is saying the Candlestick Bible has made me learn new things about the market. See, I told you. The more you do research about all this, you get to learn new things, new hidden structures, secrets about the market. And again, the more you get to go be the Bible, to look at all those research, you get to learn different things that happen in the market. And once you learn to look at a loop and find the very best secret in trading, then everything will be very good for you. Professor Proman is saying we should do a compound from $1. We're gonna do that. Let me first get some profit. Let me first look for some capital, then I come and do that $1 trade. Okay. Someone is spamming with a love you, Daniel. Whoa, thank you. I love you too. Thank you. Stop spamming that. He's from India. He's called MSH Azare 11. Thank you. Thank you for joining the stream. And if you look at this is a very good point out for double shot. For those who learned about the candle structures and the Bollinger Bands, you get to see that the first cell that came up was outside the band, outer band, and the second one came inside the band. Nice, and it came out very well. See that? See what I'm talking about? So that's a very well structure. You get to do all this. Someone Daniel may talk about the buy and sell, what's the strategy can do, and new things about the markets. Yep. Excuse me. Hello, this is a very beautiful downtrend, but I missed it. But it was a very beautiful downtrend. If you look at it very well, you see that the market has dropped almost 50 seconds, and that's quite a big minute. Right now, it's below the oversold, which is the levels of 20. If you look at the indicators below the oscillator, and if you look at your bands, they also show. Okay, first wait. Let me first see. I'm looking at this, and I'm seeing something is coming up here because the bands touched earlier, which is a good sign that there might be a very good reversal coming up soon. Okay, this might be the one. Let's wait and see. It's not that confirmed. This should be all green. That's supposed to be a very good buy here, but it's short. Someone is saying, what is the best time to trade? Brother, this is my best. For me, this is my best time. For me, this is my best time. For you, I don't know. But I say, for you to get a very good time to trade is when you're free, relaxed, and calm. That will be the best time for you to trade. You know, for you to trade very well and make sure everything is right. Relax down, calm down, and trade very well. Now, come on, this might be a very good signal here. Okay. Let's wait for another confirmation. Nice. Double call. Come on. We only need 3 candles and we are out. 3 to 4 and we are out. Oh, shit. It has dropped seriously. Oh, my God. Nice. Woo. It has dropped seriously. I thought I'm going to be sniped out, but that was a very good win. Okay, let's look for another point and see. Not a risky point. Dude Gaming, how are you? Thanks for joining. Hope you're good. You make another entry right there because the buys are coming strong. It's a very good signal and it shows a long-term buy. Come on. Continue. Yep, nice. One more. Nice. Action. That's what we're talking about. Okay, that's a very good rejection upstairs. If you look at your upstairs candle, that's a very good rejection. So let's wait for a very good confirmation. Then we make our shot. There's a drop there. Hold on. Oh, that's another. Let me make a shot right there. Come on. 4 more. Nice. 1-1. Okay. Let's first look at this trend. Right now it's crashing downwards. So it means I might just go with it. The way it's crashing downwards, it's a very good. Let's look at the candles and see. Because if you look at my indicator below, it shows that the price is coming back downwards. Oh my god! And the candles have done the same shit. I knew this was gonna be a downtrend, and if you look at the candles, they did the same thing. So that was a very good downtrend. Nice, come on, nice. Mr. Ben is saying, how long did it take to become a profitable trader? For 4.5 years. Though I'm still learning also. I'm still in the market. I'm still learning. Devil Noob is saying, whose confirmation do you use? I use two. I use the indicators plus the candle structures. So I use two confirmations. I use two. The indicators might tell me something, the candle won't, but once the indicator tells me something, I'll have to confirm with the candle structures. And that's a very good confirmation for me there. Let me just give you an example here. Hold on. Let me look for a very good example. Okay, like now, like this is a very good example that price is coming back downwards, but it's not stabilizing. It's just volatile, which is a very mid trend. So let's leave that. Let's look for another example. But this was a very good example, though the price is becoming volatile and it's not stable. So let's just leave that and wait for very other confirmation. Okay, that's a strong buy, but it's having a very big rejection upwards there. So let's wait and see. Okay, hold on. Well, the Brent oil is becoming crazy. It's too volatile right now, and it's over spreading out. It's giving me a very crazy vibes right now. If you stay in this, I might crash out soon. So I think let's try another pair and see. Gold not bad. Gold not bad, and gold actually has a very good signal right there. The moment I came into gold, I saw a very good signal. I just went for it. There was a very good signal in gold, and I just went for it. Okay, come on, don't drop it. Come on, yes. The moment I saw gold, there was a very good signal in gold. I had to go for it. Reagan is saying change the pair. Yeah, right. I had to change the pair. Brent oil was becoming crazy. For those who are just joining in, thank you for joining. Let's subscribe, like the stream. So far we're having 1.7. Not bad. Let's make it to 1.2. To 2. Let's make it to 2. Why not 2? Why 1.7? 1.5 actually, 1.75. So let's make it to 2, guys. For those who are joining in. Okay, the price right now is below the oversold. Okay, that's a very good signal for a buy option. Come on, confirmation right there. Double buy. That's a very good buy. Make another trade there. I made the triple. So let's wait and see how it goes. Come on. Yep. Come on. Climb that tree. Climb that tree, baby. Come on. Yes. Come on. Yes. Now one more. Nice. 1.7. Let's increase our price to from 85 to 100. We're looking for capital. Then we go for that $1. We're going for the $1 after this. We're going to go for the $1. Someone is saying the 5-second time frame is crazy. No, that's just a kind of structure. I know it's crazy. It's kind of a bit fast, but it's the best. I know each candle here is having 5 seconds, which is good. So with a very good time frame, then execution is really fast and you're good to go. Jackpot, baby. Jackpot. That's the slogan. Another day, another dollar. Let's grind this. For someone who told me about the confirmation, look at this, guys. Someone asked me about the confirmation about the Bollinger Bands and the candle structures. I think you should. Are you seeing this? One of the cell kind of came outside. Okay, let me take my double shot right there before I even explain this. Look at that, guys. Come on, I hope it comes out well. Come on. Nice, it has come out well. This was a very good entry from the candle structures up at the top. That was a very good signal there. The moment the second candle came inside the bands, I just had to go for the short. And let's wait for another call. Let me see. And this is a nice straight downtrend. Let me make another shot right there. I'm gonna make one shot because I'm not certain about the downtrend. Come on. Why a reversal? After me making my shot, then you make a reversal. Market is fucked up. And let's continue moving with this. Make a double call right there. I lost that, but let me try to find it behind. Come on. Okay. Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Mike Tyson. Yeah, tell me what. Hello, Daniel. Hi, how are you? Thanks for joining. Hope you're doing good. Hi, Susan. Susan is saying hello, Daniel. How are you? Thanks for joining, Susan. Hope you're doing good. That quote is from Ronnie Coleman, bro. Cameroon love. Ronnie Coleman is a very good guy. Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. What of sign the contract? Sign the contract. It's a very good double call right there. Oh, Regan is saying, I tried to set up the score setter on Meta 5. It shows real results, bro. I just use them. They work. Nice. I told you. Read your indicators very well and everything will be nice. So, Regan, I think I think everything's doing good for you, Riga, right now, because you're a very good student who has been here from day one, and you have learned everything. You have seen everything. Someone is saying, isn't the gold market closed for the weekend? Bro, you've just reached here. Thank you for joining the stream. Anyway, we say the OTC market does not close. I think I should talk about the OTC market again for people to understand what the OTC market really means. Okay? I'll talk about what does OTC market really mean. Come on. Come on, love. You're killing me with those jokes. Praise, this is the OTC market. It doesn't close. Right, Emmanuel? Tell him. Cameroon Love is saying over the counter. Right, yep, it's over the counter market. And it's the best market because it does not close. Hope you get that. Anyway, the real definition about the OTC market. The OTC market is a decentralized trading network where securities like some stocks, bonds, currencies, and derivatives are traded directly between participants. Instead of the centralized exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, there is no single physical location of the center, of the center trademark. It has no physical location of the center trademark because this market is got from different states, let's say different exchanges. They all sign in their documents, they all put in their targets, and they form what we call the OTC market. The role the broker pays, the broker plays. So the OTC market is generally a 24/7 market. It's always open. It's there for everyone. It connects buyers and sellers simply. The price is all about bid and ask. That's what we call an up and down, the sell and buy. So what exactly makes the OTC market? The OTC market exists because of multiple participants interacting, including the brokers, the dealers, the banks, institutional investors, the corporations, real investors. So all these guys come together and form what we call the OTC market. That's why you will find gold OTC at 46. Right now it's at 467. Yet the actual gold that closed at 4.45. So you find that they have estimated that in the weekend vibe, the gold is going to climb upwards, making the 46 trend. Hey, who are we to verse against this? This is the market made for us. We should be profit every day. And that's the OTC market. Some other question here. I really want to subscribe. I really want to subscribe. I just want to understand why is there a lag? There is a lag, bro. YouTube has a lag of 20 seconds, and we just don't know how to do about that. Hey, how are you? Thanks for joining. Am I saying someone tell me, is he really profitable? I don't know. Should you look at my wallet or should you look at myself? I know I missed this. Let's go for this. So, Cameron, I think you've got what the OTC is all about. Nice. Bro, other YouTubers have 5 to 6 lags only. Yeah. Some have 5 to 6 seconds. Differently timing from which time zone you are in. Someone is saying Jesus died for our sin. Amen. Yes, Jesus died for our sins, and his blood was covered for all of us. Amen for that. But right now we are trying to do some market trades here. We shall see the Lord tomorrow. Today's a very good Saturday. Can you trade high time frames so that we can get the trades? I've tried trading high time frames, but whenever I go for the high time frames, for the high trades time frames, I'm sniped out because I want what we call quick results. We're in the Holy Saturday and it's not that bad. It's a very good Saturday. Velocity is saying short for 5. One bat is saying, bro, $1 trend. Yes, I'm gonna do the $1 trend. I told you guys I'll be doing a challenge every day. I'll be doing one challenge every day. I have seen a funny comment from Regan. Oh my G. Oh my G. Regan is saying, man, Daniel, you might not have been a taxi driver, as you say, because the way you explain the market to a pro maxi manager, you are a genius, man. Thanks for that. But I told you, I began this. By the time it reached me the second year, that's when I knew that I can't do anything. Anyway, in my days of the taxi cab driving, I used to drive the taxi cab in Florida. It was a long journey, so I used to do research as I drive my taxi for my breaks, half-hour breaks, whenever I park around the airport or whenever I park around the parks waiting for the clients. It's a very good, nice buy there. I used to wait for my clients in the car, and I used to do my research with my laptop inside the car, my phone, with my burrito aside. You know that big burrito? So you're eating your burrito, you're looking at your market. You keep quiet because you don't want to risk. And second, I had a fear of risking. So I used to make like $100. I'd be like, should I really trade this $100? So I used to have fear for like 6 months. I had fear for like 6 months. So the moment I entered the market, first account was blown. I was like, I need more studies. I went back to more research. More research, books, YouTube videos, learning. I even asked AI. I even went to the AI. So with more research, I came back again with $200. I made almost like 5. Then I blew it again. So I blew the second account. Nice. I blew like 4 accounts. Actually, I blew like 4 accounts because I was greedy at that moment. I was really greedy. It's a very good shot. I was really greedy at that time. Okay, this is a nice one. 3K. So by the time I became profitable, I had a lot of research that I have done. And I knew this is something that you can just wake up in the morning and you start doing. So I didn't know that I'll wake up in the morning and leave the taxi job aside. I had to sell my cab. I sold my it's called a medallion. We call it a medallion. I sold my medallion for almost it was 24. I sold it for 24. Then I got 14. I paid the bills. Then the one back into the market. What platform is up? But this is Pocket Options. Where are you trading from? Trading from Houston. Brother, you go ahead 1 minute. Hey, how are you? Do Do you have any indicator that can send 90% signals? I don't have an indicator that does that. I don't have that. I don't have an indicator that can send you 90% signals, but you can become your own indicator if you take some time to read all about this. Now look at this. If you read this carefully, look at this. If you look at the upper band, this upper band shows you that the candle came out, second band, the second candle was inside the bands, a very good short. So if you get to learn all this, why do you need a very good indicator to give you 90% signals? Why do you need signals if you can learn all that in the market? Bro, come on. You don't need the what? A signal to give you all that. Spell the name of your taxi. I name it my bike. The taxi, it was just a small car, but we used to call them medallions, like medallion. Medallion is a licensed taxi that is legally allowed by the government to pick up street passengers. So a medallion is just a license that they give us. It's a commission by the state. They give you and they allow you to move around, take passengers. So I had a medallion. It's a very nice downtrend. Let me go with it. Ayoka is asking, are you profitable now? Yep. I became profitable in my second year. That's when I became profitable. Now it's 4.5 years and everything is moving very good, very well. Though I'm still looking to make my portfolio larger. I'm still doing more investments around me, buying whatever I can find to make myself go big. So right now I'm trying to become bigger and bigger. I'm making what we call enlarging my portfolio. Right now my portfolio is holding almost at 1 million USD. That's 1 million USD and it's not enough. I need something more. I need more. I need a B, bro. Make a double call right there. For those asking about the strategy, look at Emmanuel's is saying that Super Daniel strategy, that's the name of the strategy. So no more asking about the strategy. The strategy is called Super Daniel strategy. I have made over 1K on my demo account. Emmanuel, you're ready to go for the live account, just like that. Just like, what's his name? He's called Regan. Yes, you're ready to go to the live account, just like Regan, just like me, just like G-Dot. So just come in, bro. Attack the live market. Fun facts, bro. The same standards. I need a B before I go. Right, bro? We all need the B's. We all need the B's. With a B, everything is possible. All we have to do is be patient and disciplined. Make a double call right there. Met is investment possible, right? What setup do you use to do it, bro? I use indicators, the Bollinger Bands, the oscillator, my 15-second time frame, and 5 seconds candle structure. For those who have been joining the Telegram channel, thank you. I've been seeing a lot of messages and I'm gonna respond to everyone in the chat section, in the Telegram. For those who are in the channel, thank you for joining the channel. I am always updating with new information for you people to learn from, to learn with. I can't on my live account now because I have only $4. I need to save up more. Okay, no problem. Just be patient. Just be patient, and you make it out. Are you a bull or bear? Right now the market is both because it's just dropping and climbing. If you look at this carefully, look at that carefully. By the time it becomes a bull, a bear every time soon. So the price is rising and it's also falling at the same time. Now it's falling right now. Look at that. That's a very good bear. So let me take a double trend, a double. Oh my God! Hope it's not. That's a very good. Come on, yes. Continue. And if you look at your oscillator below, you will see that it's coming down to the oversold, which is our levels of 20. Nice. 4K, almost reaching 5K. We start our challenge of $1. We're gonna do a challenge for $1, 20K. We're gonna stop at 20K. $1, 20K. We're gonna do a challenge of $1, 20K. No matter how many times we fail, we shall make it. So we're gonna do a challenge of $1 to 20K. C and C. let me try to make some capital here. I'm trying to make something like 5K. Excuse me. Okay, that's a very good signal there. A double shot right there. Oh shit! This was a very good signal for a shot, but I'm seeing a very bad rejection coming up. The price is being rejected anytime soon. Let's wait for a confirmation. Actually, let me. Oh my God, it was a nice one. That's why I left 15 seconds, guys. If I made a 30 seconds time frame, I was gonna be stepped out. But that's a very good signal there. I made a call right there. Okay, that's a rejection. Having a price rejection somewhere there, but non-confirmed. It's not confirmed. Not seeing any confirmation. The candles are supposed to give me a very good confirmation here. Let's wait for a very good confirmation. That's the one. That was short. This is a very good confirmation. Look at that. This candle came in and the shadow stopped inside the bands. So I made my shot right there. Fuck, come on, drop it. Yep. Continue. Drop it. Nice. Nice. That's nice. Regan is saying, what is the word guru mean in trading? Guru really means someone who is really profitable in trading, experienced, respected trader, or an investor whose strategies other than traders, they follow, That's a guru. He's like a god in trading. He has strategies that every other trader follows, experienced trader, more respected, and a very good investor. That's what we call a guru. And another times it's called a trading guru, Not everyone is called a guru. So I haven't reached that level of being called a guru, but I want that level to be called a guru. That's why I need to enlarge my portfolio to a B, because I need that B. The moment I make that B, I'm done. I'm only saying you're my guru, man. No, I'm not yet reaching that level, but I want to reach that level. Regan is saying, remember, guru in Uganda is a district. Are you for real? Then that might be a very big district. How big is that place? That might be a very beautiful place. So in my take, the best confirmation is when the candle closes between the bands after a specific market direction. Yes, that's a very good answer. You've answered yourself. Thank you for watching the live. Either you've got something, and please, what you have learned, go try out in the demo account. You will see. You come back and testify. Give me testimony. Anyway, my Telegram is open for more questions. The grind don't stop, bro. Yep. Where can we find your strategy and your indicators in YouTube videos? It is right here. You'll find my indicators and all my strategy right here at the live stream. This is where you find me. And we have made the 5K. Nice. Let's go for the $1. Let's go for the $1 challenge. My hands are shaking. I don't know. 5154. Right? 0.08. Cash out. One net. Okay, let's play that. Let me try to. Let's do the $1 from the currency. Let's look for a good currency here. Let me see which currency should I take. They're all in 92%. Let me go for the odd USD. Australian dollar versus the US dollar. OTC. We have gone for the currencies. For those who are joining, thank you for joining the live stream. Please don't forget to subscribe. We are trying to reach the 2K goal before we end up this week. So let's make it before Sunday. Right now we're in a Saturday and it's a very good evening. Someone is saying right now we're having 1.75. So let's make it to 2. We start a new week with a new goal. So we're in the $1 challenge, guys. This is a $1 challenge. We're gonna make it to 20K. Let's see how far we can make it. Max, we're gonna be doing 100% full risk mode until we finish it up. So let's risk it, baby. Let's risk it. For those who are saying my chat is different than yours, why? I asked you on Telegram. My chat is different than yours because we have a lag of 20 seconds. YouTube has a lag of 20 seconds. Do you know a song called Risky from Davido? FT Popcano for Risk? Not yet. I'm gonna search it up and see. But I know Davido. I've heard of Davido. He's a very good guy. And look at this structure, guys. This is a very nice structure, and it's giving me some good vibes here. So let me make a shot here. This is our first trade. It's gonna be our first trade. First trade for those asking about the strategy. Let's call it Super Daniel Super Trading Strategy. Nice. Let's double that. Almost $2. Let's double that. Yes, baby. Some good jazz. Ooh. It's a weekend. Trying to go from $1 to 20K. So far we are having 1.9. This is our second trade. Nice, 3.6. Let's double that. Whoa, that's a big rejection right there. What's the use of a big rejection? Is that a confirmation? Bullshit. Fuck this shit. It's a big rejection, but there's nothing like a good confirmation there. So don't risk that. Don't risk that. You are in my zones of start, bro. Okay. Cameron Lab is saying, "What are you sipping, bro?" This is fun. Some good juice. Carbonated juice. Thank you, Mary FX. Thank you. Yes, the period is 5, the deviation is 1. That's the Bollinger Bands settings. Thank you. Thank you. 15 seconds time frame, 5 seconds candle structure. Big up, Mary FX 80. Big up, thank you. And let's continue moving. Let's double this. So far it's 13, sorry. Let's double that. Beautiful, beautiful Saturday. It's a holy Saturday because tomorrow it's gonna be the Easter Sunday. The Lord rising up and all things. People are gonna be having holidays. Well, for a trader, we don't have holidays because the market is always open in the OTC, and whenever we are trading, that's our holiday. Franchi is saying, how are you trading? The market is closed. Bro, I've just said that OTC market doesn't close, baby. That's why we no longer have holidays in OTC. No days off. Fun facts. Yes, Cameroon, tell them. We don't have days off. We don't have any day that is off in OTC market. You're always looking at the market, looking for a very good strategy, looking for a very good... This thing nice. Franchise is saying it's Florida, it's closed for me. Have you checked the OTC market? Open OTC market. I'm in Houston. It's all about 2 hours from you. I don't know, 2 hours from Florida, 2 to 3 hours from Florida. So please open the OTC market. You're gonna see it's open. The moment you open a pocket option, you will see that the market is open. The only market that is closed is the live market, the gold, which is not the OTC. Non-OTC markets are closed, but all OTC markets are open. Might be commodity, might be metals, might be currencies. That's why we're in the currency, we're in the odd card versus the USD, which is the odd USD, OTC. Okay, come on. So far, we haven't had any flaws in our challenge, which is a very good sign for today. It's a very good sign. So let's continue moving with this. Let's double that, 26. So far, we haven't had any flaws in this challenge, which is a very good sign. No sweating, nothing like a brain close. Yes, every day is a holiday. Thank you, Regan. Every day is a holiday. Mary Flex is saying, what are you sipping, bro? It's called Fanta. It's a carbonated soda. It's having some carbonate. It's a very nice drink. But I think sugars are a lot. It has some sugars which is a lot. Are you trading full time, Daniel? No, I only trade when I'm back from my errands, which is the evening hours from 5 till 7. Then I'm done. This is a downtrend. Let me show it right there. Come on. Buyers are coming in strong. Fuck. Come on, drop it. Shit. We are back to the beginning. Let's go back to the beginning. $1. Well, it's only $1. It's not that a lot, so $1 buys you a burger. 1.99 gets you a single patty with no extras at McDonald's. The reason we love you, bro, is that your English real African American made hard very well. You know that we hear you very well. Perfect. Thank you, Regan. That's what I want, that anyone here is able to listen to what I'm saying. And it's because I used to live with everyone. You know, when you're a cab driver, you get to learn how to speak with people. Let me make my call right there. Someone is asking, what is the time frame? Yes, Mary FX, thank you. It's 5 seconds candle structures and 15 seconds time frame. And our indicators are the Bollinger Bands with us oscillator, which are, oh my god, shit. The currencies are becoming crazy. Look at that. Look at that. What is happening, guys? What is happening here? Hold on. What is happening? And then let's just start afresh. Let's go afresh. Let's go again. Let's go back to commodities, guys. Let me do silver. Let me go for silver. Silver OTC. Silver OTC. Okay, I'm going to silver OTC. So let's focus here. The currencies weren't stable very well. They were being crazy. Yeah, true. The market looks unstable. Yeah, it was unstable. It wasn't really on a good structure. But we have gone to the silver OTC. That's the weekend, actually. The weekend is always fucked up. Weekend trades are always not that stable. Focus changing the pair. Yeah, I went to the silver OTC. We've gone to the silver OTC. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the stream. We want to go for 2K this before we enter a new week. Let's go for 2K. Right now we're at 1.7. So let's make it to 2K before we end up this week. Ends up tomorrow. So before we go for tomorrow, let's make it to 2K. Right now it's 1.8. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for making 1.8. Let's make it to 2K, remaining with only 2. Okay. Hold on. Nice. That's a good rejection there. Let's wait for reconfirmation. Okay, that's a strong sell. Let me double. Oh shit. No, sorry. I was supposed to make it full. I didn't go for the full. I was supposed to make it full. Come on. Fuck. Apparently, you can't trade. So let me get $1 and make it 1.88. We start from 1.88. So let me make it max 1.88. Let's do that again. That was not good. So if you look at this here, This is not confirmed. Let's wait for that confirmation. Very confirmation. Well, I think you're all seeing the weekend trades. Weekend trades are not that stable. That's why I hate them, but we have nothing to do. We all need the dollar. And this is a very good downtrend coming up. I'm seeing good structures there. Nice. Make a shot right there. Come on, drop it, drop it. Nice, 3. Let's double that. The moment I reach 100, then everything is settled. Right now, we are trying to make 100. When you make 100, then the 20K is easy and fast. Because the $1 to 100, that's the crazy part. So you're focusing on making from $1 to 100 fast. That's your first goal. That's your first target. When you reach your first target, then you're done. From 100 to 350. 350, then 20K is done. Okay, this is a nice call. This is a very good signal. Look at that. That's a very good signal. Now guys are saying Brent oil is better. Let's hold on. Let's first see how the silver. Okay, look, when we reach 350 in silver, we shall switch to Brent oil. Let's first see how the silver is moving. Then now we shall switch to silver or to Brent oil when we reach, like, let's say, like a 350. Because 350 from 350 to 20K, that's the big deal. That's the big deal. That's where the deal is. Nice. We sell there. Make a shot. Very good shot. Come on. Double that. The buyers are becoming stronger here. So let's wait. Let's wait for a very good confirmation and see. This is a trick that I won't go for. Here we are having buyers are becoming strong at the same time as sellers are also coming in. So this is a very good trick for the market, which I won't go for. Let's wait for a very good signal for a sell or a buy. So let me see. Okay, this is a very nice signal there. That's a good confirmation right there. Sellers have won. So if you look at that very well, I think you've seen the Bollinger Bands and the candle structures. That was a very good signal. Come on. Cash it out. Yes. Yes, baby. 23. Let's double that. Our goal is to reach 100. Then we go from 100 to 35, 20K. So right now, we are fighting from getting from $1 to 100. Then from 100 to 35, then from 35 to 20K. That's our last trade, our last target. So target 1 is almost done. I think almost like 3 trades. We're done with target 1. It's a very good rejection downstairs, but no confirmation. Price is still fighting. Okay, that might be a confirmation there, but not strong. We need a strong confirmation. Nice. Come on. Nice, nice, nice. Let's double that. We double that, we're getting 82. Make a call right there. This is a very good uptrend, and nothing shows that it's gonna be droppy. So let me make a call right there. Let me go for it. Those who are joining in, thank you for joining in. Mary FX, thank you for that answering, everyone. Thank you, Mary FX. So execution goes on again and again. 82 so far. Okay, that's nice. Almost reaching 100. Then we close target 1. We go for target 2. Okay, with this last trade, we're gonna be making up to our 155. That's gonna be the end of our target 1. Then we go for target 2. Nice, nice confirmation. Where? Not yet. That's a very good one. That's a strong buy. Target 1 is done. Now we're going for target 2. Target 2 is 350. That's our target 2. Target 1 is done. Target 1 was $100, and now we're going for target 2, which is gonna be $350. Okay, let's get ready. Okay. Target 2 is gonna be only 2 trades. Then now we are done with target 2. Someone is saying, what kind of trading is this? That's binary. We're in binary. We're in binary. In the binary options. Hell no, hell no, hell no. I won't go for that. That's fishy. I won't go for that. There was a price gap somewhere there, so I won't go for that. That's being fishy. Okay, that's a very good rejection down there. The confirmation is not strong. Need a strong confirmation. Nice. That's a strong confirmation right there. That was a very good strong confirmation right there. If you look at that, the price was coming back downwards, but it was very rejected inside the bands, which calls for a very strong confirmation there. So I had to go for the call option. Guys, we're in the pocket option. Binary options, that's what we're doing right now. And our time frame is 15 seconds, 5 seconds candle frame. Thank you, Mary FX, for explaining, everyone. Binary option doesn't do prop farms. Yep. I haven't seen any prop farm in binary in pocket option. They don't do that because they know. Because they know. Thing is fucked up. Anyway, right now we're having 219, 293. We're about to reach our second target. Our second target is 333, 350. Our second target is 350. Oh, look at this. Right there. Let me make a call right there. Come on. We are doing 100% full margin, which is a very risky trend, and it's crazy. 5-5. Our second target is done. Now we're going for our third target, which is the 20K goal. And here, someone told me I should try out the Brent oil. So I think let's go for the Brent oil. This is going to be our third target. It's going to be our third target. So let me go for the Brent oil. Because silver, we are done with silver. Let's go for Brent oil. So let me go for full margin, 100%. I'm feeling that. Feels like the heavens are opening up. Okay, let's go. Let's go for this. Fingers crossed. Let's make it without a loss. So fingers crossed. Let's go. Hope guys we are learning something into here. Don't just watch, please. Don't just watch. Please learn something. The strategy is called Daniel Super Trading Strategy. We use candle structures and indicators. We confirm them both, and we get a very nice entry position before going in. Thus, I told you, no confirmation, no trade. A trade without a confirmation is a bullshit trade. Okay, that's a very good rejection there. Drop it. Nice. Nice. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Nice. Drop it. Drop it. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Nice. 1K. Our goal for 20K has a very good track. Let's double that. Let's double that. We're on a very good track here. We're on a very good track. We lost almost like 3 times. So now we are trying to take our trade seriously, more concentration. We're trying to be more concentrated here. Okay, look at this. First, look at this, guys. Oh my God, that's a very good signal there. Come on, come on. That's a very good signal. Come on. Oh my God, it was turning back. Crazy. Let me first pause for a minute. Someone is saying the strategy bad. I think you hack it. Jerry Cool Importer is saying hack it. What? Are you new here? Yeah, I think Jerry Cool is new here. Jerry Cool, please, you're a new subscriber. Thank you for joining. Well, This is what we do on a daily, even though we have plenty of losses, but with one single full risk trade, we make it all back. It's just a matter of being concentrative and patient. Crazy. Anyway, that was a good pause. Let's go back. Woo. Let's go back. Full risk. We're in the full risk zone. This is a crazy risking status. By the time I lose this, we are back to $1. So I have to take all my trades carefully. All my trades have to come carefully. Other indicators, I'm using the Bollinger Bands. These are for the Bollinger Bands. The period is 5, the deviation is 1. And then my bottoms, I'm using the oscillator, which is the 1433, and moving average. So these are my indicators. Let's double this. We double this, we're gonna come out with 3K. Yes, no risk, no Ferrari. Let's go for it. Crazy, baby. Crazy, baby. We have to be crazy. Okay. The bottom is trying to climb up to the levels of 80, but it's being fought. Come on, show me something. Show me something, baby. Show me something. Okay, that's one. That's one. We need a good confirmation. That's a very good confirmation there. Rejection inside the bands. So let me make a call right there. Oh! Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Let me double this 3K. So we're going to double this, is gonna be 6K. Double this, gonna be 6K. Okay, let me first pause right now because my thumbs and my palms are really sweating. Let me first pause a moment because it's now becoming more intense. The farther I go, the farther I stop, becomes more serious and more crazy. Let me first pause a minute. Let's first pause, guys. Let's first pause because now it's becoming crazy. Someone is saying, Daniel, brother, is this a demo account? No. What's the name? I'm seeing Princess. No, this is not a demo account. I used to do demos in my first year, but I never risked my demo so much like that. Yeah, it's a real account. Holy shit! Yeah, I know. It's fucked up. Daniel, why panicking? Oh, you don't know, bro. You should be sitting in my seat right now. The moment you sit in my seat, you know that it's hot. My palms are hot right now. My palms are hot. I'm sweating. I'm shivering. Why? Because I'm seeing my target is ahead. My third target is, I'm always reaching my target, but the more I go, the riskier it becomes. Yeah, Cameroon, lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Okay, let's go back. Okay, come on. Okay, that's a nice signal. That's a very strong sell. It's a good confirmation. That's a very good strong sell, and that's a very good confirmation down there. So I'll short it there. That's a fucking draw. Oh my god. Shit. Ah. Damn. That's a fucking draw. Oh my god. 1 second sniped out. Guess what? It was a draw. That's a refund. Very good one. Anyway, let's wait. Let me first see the trend. The trend is looking not bad. It's a downtrend. Bro, sweating and shivering at the same time. That's diabolical. I know. I think you saw that. 3K almost flashed in a second. It was just 1 second and 3K was gonna be flashed out. Oh my god. Ooh. I told you my seat right now is not a good seat. I wouldn't advise anyone to sit in my seat right now. You might get a heart attack. Yeah, almost flashed 3K. Almost gone in 1 second. Almost gone in 1 second. Yeah. Guys, let me try to concentrate. Hold on. Let me try to concentrate on this. Let's hold on. What do you look here, Daniel? I look for a perfect entry when I look at my candles. So I look for a candle that stays inside the bands, and I look at the candle that comes out of the bands, and I also look for a rejection candle. I mix all that with a very perfect entry. Someone is saying, better don't risk everything again, you dick. Nope. We are here to win. So no going back home. We are not going back home. We are here to win. If I do this trade, it's gonna be 12K. So that's a very good double entry, and okay, let's do this. Let's go. Nice. Go big, go home. Go big, go home. Choose one. Are you going home or going big? We have to go big. Jackpot, baby. Jackpot. If it was a movie, it's called Quiet Place. I know that movie. That movie was crazy. It came out in the cinemas. I almost ran out. It was a quiet movie. 15 seconds. Guys, when the 15 seconds and it's crazy. I'm seeing a lot of people sweating in the chat section. Guys are becoming so chicken out. Guys, don't chicken out. Why chicken out, guys? Don't chicken out. I'm even having a headache. I'm having a small, slightly headache. But let's double this. Go big or go home. Let's double this. Why is the fucking SC remote? Fuck. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay. It's a very good uptrend. If you look at this uptrend, it's not bad, but I'm expecting a reversal anytime soon. So let's hold on. Let's wait for a very good confirmation of an uptrend. So let's hold on. Let's wait. Wait. The price has touched the upper price, so I have to wait for a very good confirmation. Okay, that's one. Come on. Let me make it right there. Oh. Fuck! Nice! Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Let's dive this. One more trade, and we're out of this trade. Fuck. Shit. We one more trade, and we out. Nice. Oh my god. I deserve a fucking drink right now. Oh. No going home, guys. Go big or go home. We are not going home. No risk, no Ferrari, guys. No risk, no Ferrari. For those who are just joining in, please. Thank you, but I'm gonna come to you later. Let me first finish this. Let me finish this challenge. Then I come to you guys, okay? One more fucking trade. Okay, one more trade. Let's see. One more trade. Now, if you look at this is a very good uptrend. But before you take any fucking trade here, you have to be careful. Why? Because right now, the indicator is coming from the levels of 80 and it's dropping down to 20, which is another downtrend coming anytime soon. So let's wait and see. Okay, that's a nice rejection there. That's a nice rejection. The price is going back again up. Let me take a call there. The price is going back upwards, so let's wait. Come on. Fuck! Nice! Fuck! Yes, baby! That's what I'm talking about. Shit! Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, fuck. Whew. Fuck! Oh my god! Oh my god! Happy Easter, everyone! Happy Easter! Happy Easter! Anyway, one more question. I love this question. Whenever I'm done with the challenge, I love this question. Whenever I'm done with the challenge, guys, let's wait. Guys, wait. Hold on. Guys, first wait. I want you all to give me an answer here. I love this question. Whenever I finish a challenge, a demon tells me, should we risk it or cash it out? I want to see. Risk it or cash it out. Nothing like withdrawing a half, but I want to see risk it all or cash it out. Please, guys, tell me. I want to see guys typing it out. The demon is telling me, should we cash it out or risk it all? Oh my god, I'm seeing everyone saying cash it out. Guys, shit. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna cash it out. I'm gonna fucking cash it out right now. It's the demons, guys, not me. It's the demon. It's the demon of mana. It's the demons, guys, not me. There's a demon over me right now. It's not me. Let me cash it out. I can't believe it. That was crazy. Almost lost my nerves in this shit. Nice. Well, thank you guys for everyone who has subscribed. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. I love that. That gives me morale. I told you guys, whenever I see new subscriptions, it gives me morale to come back the next day. And for everyone who's saying we do it, we trade again, we shall do that again tomorrow. I told you guys I only do one challenge per day. I cannot do a challenge 2 times in a day because it's a long way and it's a long run. And it's more hectic. I might end up fainting. You want me to faint right now? So indicator settings. For those who ask about the indicator settings, my all at default. I have the Bollinger Bands. The period is 5, the deviation is 1, and we use more of the Bollinger. Actually, the more we use most of the time we use Bollinger Bands. We use the Bollinger Bands almost at 50%. Then the candle structures, we also use them at 50%. So that makes 100%. But you can also use the Bollinger Bands with the same as the oscillator. But I mainly use the Bollinger Bands and the candle structures. Whenever I look at the candle structures and the Bollinger Bands, it gives me a lot to what to do. It tells me where to take my trades, it tells me where to do, and it tells me what to look at, okay? So with the Bollinger Bands in play and the candle structures in play, everything is smooth and everything is nice. Though sometimes it's worse. Then about the down bottom indicator, I use the oscillator, which is the 1433. It's also a default. And then my time frame is 15 seconds. Someone is saying mangoes. Yes, sweet that dawn. Of course, it's mangoes time, baby. Mango time, baby. Mango time, baby. Let's go for some mangoes. Hands up. Someone is saying it's a demo account, bro. No timer on candles. I think you're fucked up in your fucking brain, because whenever I take a strategy, there's a timer. Why would I set a timer if I know there's a timer? Our broker is pocket option, and then now we're in the binary options. Trade time, we always begin at 5 p.m. UTC -5. That is my state of Texas, Houston, USA. The time frame is 15 seconds, and my time is UTC -5. That's my time zone. We always trade every day. We're gonna be trading every day. Every day we're gonna be live every day. I'm gonna sacrifice 2 hours every day. Cameroon, are you still there? Hope you've seen all this. It was not an easy run, but thanks to all of you, it has gone through. Camila is saying, come to Dubai. I will come to Dubai. I will come to Dubai soon. I will come to Dubai. I'll be to Dubai anytime soon. I've only been in Dubai I've only been in Dubai once. And it was a nice time. So I want to come back again. We're gonna saying like, are your friends all traders, bro? Yes, all my friends are traders. We all do trading, and we all have different times we trade in. Though me, I come in live. Some of them we want to do something. We want to form up a hedge fund. We want to do a company. We want to make a hedge fund company, whereby we trade in different sessions, so that we can trade in the same time together with all my friends, but we all trade in different entry points and different time zones. Candle time, 15 trades. Time, please. 15 seconds. Camila is saying, send me a message when you come to Dubai and we will meet. Okay. Thank you. I'll send you a message when I come to Dubai. I want to come back to Dubai again. For a small vacation. Guys, this was a nice trend today. Thank you all for those who have subscribed. Please, let's make it up to 2K before we end up this week. This is a goal that I want us all to make. For those who have subscribed, thank you for all. I'm seeing South Africa. Is this a South African flag? Is it Grety A16? Is it South African? I think this is South African. Yes, right. Create a group so that you can be able to give us signals. Yes, I'm trying to do that. I'm having a group in Telegram. Join the Telegram group, Telegram channel. We shall be talking more. I will be dropping up. I'll be dropping up signals anytime soon, and I'm trying to form up something for everyone. Dubai, man. When would I go around the world? You will. Just a matter of patience. And Regan, I'm a friend too, bro. Of course, Regan, you're my day one friend. You're my day one G. We have been here since we began this, and we have learned a lot together. This is something nice. I like. This is something nice. I'm seeing very beautiful. I'm seeing Zambia. Is this a flag? Zambia flag? Yes, thank you. I'm seeing two people from Zambia, Melvin and Felicitas from Zambia. Make a tutorial video on how to trade like you. I always make shorts in my YouTube. I was dropping shorts. I always talk about my indicators and my time frame. Kenya. This is Kenya, right? I have been seeing this flag. I think it's Kenya. It's Kenya. This is a Kenyan flag. Shidex is saying this is also Nigeria. I know this flag is Nigeria. I know the flag Nigeria. Jamaica is in the house. Jamaica is in the house. Thank you all for joining the live stream. I love you all. God bless you all. This was a sensational. Please, whatever you learn here, go and try out in your accounts. I don't want to do this alone. I want you also try out and be able to be like me. I don't want to be this alone. I want to do this alone. I want you also to do this and try out and be like me, okay? Someone is saying, come to Nigeria, you meet Davido. Yo, yeah, okay. Yes, yeah, I heard Davido comes from Nigeria, but I've seen him in New York. I was in New York and I saw him in New York. We were in the same restaurant and he was having some good steak. I like steak, by the way. I like steak. How Nigeria? How you be? I don't know what that means. The flag. I think this is this Germany or Angola? I don't know. I want to be like we're gonna be the same. Anyway, guys, thank you. We should end this. We should end this stream right here. Let me say bye bye. Let's meet again tomorrow. And for those who have questions, please, my Telegram is open for questions. I'm going to be answering to every. Oh my God, yes, Regan, I've seen Uganda. This is Uganda, not so? I've seen it. Regan, day one friend. This is my day one friend, by the way. Regan is my day one friend. He has been here since we began the streams, and he has learned a lot. Thank you, Regan, for joining the streams again. So please, guys, let me say bye-bye. Let's meet again tomorrow. This was a lovely, lovely stream, though it's making me sick because I have a big headache right now. It was a long stream and a sensitive one. So tomorrow, let's meet again tomorrow. The time is going to be 5 p.m. UTC -5. UTC -5. Let's meet again tomorrow, guys.